Okay, what if we add some guitars to them? Okay, that's nice. It's actually nice. Let's hear it together now. I like this one. Kind of emotional and kind of slow. And if you add some drums to them. I like that. I like this. Yeah, it's kind of a dance music now. But I like it. And if you add the vocals, but for that I need vocal melody. Let me mumble a little bit. Let me add some lyrics, right? Is it easy to feeling down, so down? I don't know what to say, man. So down, don't know what to say. It actually works. Okay, the lyrics are done. Let's get to the recording. Can I see it? I'm kind of curious now. Is it easy to say so, but then move on like never happened? It's been long, I don't think it will be same. Maybe give another chance. I'm feeling so down, don't know what to say. Maybe give some time, it may be okay. We had all the signs, but I couldn't see. But it's best for me.